everyone, back to another video, and today's card trick, I won't say it is a beginner's card trick, but it's a very easy card trick. So let's get into the card trick. Performance for the card trick. So I'll just show you all the cards. Cards are completely shuffled. And now what is basically going to happen is I'm going to go through the cards one by one, and I want you all to say stop at any card. So go through the cards. Let's say I'll say stop right here on this card. Take the bottom card right here, place it there, and now here's the second deck. So we are going to do the same thing in this. So I'll just show you all. Cards are completely shuffled. No face up cards. And now the same thing. So we'll go through the cards one by one, and I want you all to say stop at any card you like. So let's say we go through the cards and you all say stop anywhere. Let's say stop right here, the bottom card. We'll place our best. We'll just take this card face up, lose it inside the deck. So what we did in the start, we took a random deck, a shuffle deck. I made you choose a card, random card, placed it over here. Took another deck, again told you to choose a card, put it face up inside the deck, and we have kept it there. So let's see what was the first card. The 5 of clubs, completely random selection. And now if we go through these cards, the cards are completely normal, and one face up card. And except that one face up card, there isn't any other face up card. So what are the chances? That is the 5 of clubs. And that was a trick. Hope you liked it. Let's get into the tutorial. So here's the tutorial for the card trick, and you'll need 2 random cards from the 2 decks. It could be any card, and both these cards are the spectator selection. So we are going to take it in the 4th place, both the cards right here in the 4th place. And what we basically do in this card trick is we force a card to the spectator. So if you all don't know how to force a card, or if you all already know how to force a card, you all can use your method. I'll show you all my method, what I did in the performance. So we have one deck. We show them the deck that it's completely normal, and after that, so the 4th card, 5 of clubs, is their selection. So I take 3 cards in my hand, and with the middle finger I pull this card to the bottom, and I just let go of the card, and I continue going through the cards. So I'll show you all once more. The 4th card, so I go through the cards, and right here I pull it with my middle finger, and I let go of the cards, and I continue going through the cards. And let's say I'll say stop right there. So this card automatically comes on the bottom. I square the cards up, and that card is on the bottom. So that's basically the full card trick. There's only one card trick, and the same thing. So pull with the middle finger, drop, go through the cards, stop right there, let go, bottom card, and then I take the card face up inside the deck, place that there, then I show them their first prediction, then we have to recall what we did from the start, and then one by one we go through the cards and show them that they also pick the 5 of clubs from the other deck. So that was the tutorial for the card trick. Hope you liked it.